just talk about some basic SQL knowledge here. So I just want to show the select and the from statements and give you a helpful way of thinking about it. So one of the books I read early on when I was learning SQL, it kind of described select statements as selecting from like a library. So you think about, you have like a library of tables that you want to select from, and that's what we'll use. So select, and then we'll say from which table, and then the columns you can think about as like pieces of information. So you're selecting pieces of information from a table in the library, right? So every statement that we write is going to start with select, and I always like to say from what table. So I'll type in a table name here. Let's say sales order header. We can either list out the columns, which is the best practice. It's the best way to do it, is to list out the columns. You can also do a star, and if I do a star here and I click F5, that's going to give me all of the rows in the table and all of the columns. So I could also start listing out specific columns here. So now I can run that, and that will return just those columns for me.